Do your online business meetings ever look like this?
Right.
Turn his microphone off.
I'm Dave Crane, and I train companies all around the world to teach their management how to be very effective at broadcasting online. Welcome to the world of digital stagecraft. In the next few minutes, I'd like to share with you a way to reinvent your business so you can reach anybody all around the world.
Hi there, Dave.
Hello, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
And you can save a fortune instead of paying for premises by literally turning your laptop or your home studio into a fully fledged business office located anywhere around the world. And let's talk about the way that this would work so you can move forward and create something really special for your team. Once you're able to work out what your team needs, we can train them on 3 different levels. 1, to work with an audience in front of them. 2, to create a solution that will be effective for the industry. Let's look at the car industry. So therefore, in your client's front room, they can choose the car that they want. And in real time, our business partners can change the car and the pricing. The color will alter, the model will change, the rims on the wheels can all be selected by your clients. And as they move along, the price will augment as needed. And 3, we're using the roadmaps and the systems and the coaching that we've already got set up to allow them to embrace clients and suppliers and become more of a global brand and entity from their own living room. I'd love to teach you and your team how to create brand new solutions to go to the next level through digital stagecraft.